All right, so if we do b here, first we need to get rid of either the sine or the cos. So you can do this different ways, but if I did x minus y, you would see that would be sine theta take away sine theta. So that gets rid of sine theta. It also gives us negative 3 cos minus 2 cos. So we've got negative 5 cos theta. So another way of writing that is if I multiply by negative, I get that. And if I divide by 5, I get cos theta. Now that's handy because I could square everything. I'll just put it like that. And I've got cos squared. So it'd be handy if I could get sine squared as well. So let's do that again, but this time get rid of the coses. Yes, so let's have a look. I just write it here so it's easier to see. So we've got that. And we've got this. And this time we want to get rid of the coses. So why don't we multiply the x's by 2. So 2x is 2 sine theta minus 6 cos theta. So we've multiplied all of that by 2. And let's multiply all of this by 3. So we've got 3y is 3 sine theta plus 6 cos theta. Now we can get rid of cos easily by just adding that together. So we've got a 2x and a 3y. And now we've got a 5 sine theta. And our cos thetas cancel. So now if I divide by 5, I get sine theta. And then, because I want cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, I can now just square that. And let's add those two together because cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. So we're going to have 1 on the right-hand side when I add those together. And on the left here, I've got a y. All right, so I'm going to get a lot here. So let's do this. So we're going to square minus 2xy plus y squared on 25 or 5 squared. And I'm adding, okay, now do this side. So it's all both on 25. This time it's 9y squared, double the product, so 12xy, and square the last term, so 4x squared. Remember, all of that equals 1. So I might multiply both sides by 25. So I'm going to have, and I wrote that wrong. Hope I said it right. So that's an x squared. All right, so I'm going to put the y squareds together. So I've got 10y squareds. Put the x squareds together. That looks like 5x squareds. Put the xy's together. That looks like 10xy. And then I've got 1 times 25. So it looks like it's all divisible by 5. So let's go. I'm going to put the x squared and then 2xy and then 2y squared equals 5. Yeah, that'll do. We'll leave it like that. So there's your equation. We've eliminated theta. So we've used sine squared plus cos squared equals 1.